So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and remove this exit sign combo, the LED one, because like normally I already test the exit sign, and also the lights are actually very dim. So I think this combo right there, that thing like the LED one is almost going to die soon. But for now, I recommend I'm going to go ahead and plug this thing here. Because as you can see, I'll be asking this one right here does have a plug, so which means I can remove those books here. Now I'll remove the combo first, and I'll also move those books to the other side, and also I also can connect this thing to the plug, which is like this side right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy up, the big one, on here. Remove the books and put the new sign on. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna remove this. Hold on. Let's remove this. Okay. Make sure you have to be careful. Alright, remove the old combo. You make sure you unplug this. Oh, did these lights flicker? The hell? Oh, okay. Oh. So that we don't need that. We're gonna remove the old one right here. And then remove this guy. I'll be hanging the new one up. Alright, so this, we don't need this. Because like normally that's old because the battery is dying. But I still use these in my collection. And now we're going to go ahead and install the new one to the plug, which is here. Which I'm gonna do right now is I'll take this. Alright. Make sure you plug this in. Oh yeah, try to make sure you look in the inside again. Everything's like correct. Okay. Alright. All good. Battery's plugged in. Everything's working. And then we're going to go ahead and plug this in. The cord right here. It should be on this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in. Boom. I think this sign right here needs to be recharged. But let's go ahead and test it. But I actually still have the battery plugged in, I believe. Let's see. Because I never used this combo. Shoot. Sorry about that. Sorry. Alright, so as you can see, I already have this big combo up. And guess what? You know what happened? It still doesn't do anything. But normally this battery, or I can say the exit sign needs a recharge. So that's why the exit sign wasn't working or something. So, yeah, that happens to that exit sign. The incandescent ones, you know, the big ones like this one. And once again, this thing right here has incandescent lights. You may like rotate them to make them look clear. But they still work, by the way. Still doesn't do anything. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you guys. Oop. Nope. That thing's not tight. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe.